welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Today I'll be giving you guys a tutorial on how to silk press and add clip-ins into your natural hair. I like to use the OGX Teatree and Mint line to wash my hair, and I use Heat Protectant and BioSilk before I blow dry it out. Those were two different methods of how to blow dry because your blow dry is really important in how your silk press comes out, and I use those products before I actually start the flat iron. I like to use the chase method when I'm blow drying and flat ironing. So that basically means like when I'm blow drying, I had the wig brush holding my hair taut to where it's really straight. And then you see as I'm flat ironing, I'm chasing it with the comb. So now I'm just going to continue to flat iron my whole head. I'm using my 1-inch Hot Shot Tools flat iron. I absolutely love this flat iron. I am using my flat iron on 450 degrees. That might be too high for some of you all, but if you think you could do like maybe 400 or 350, that's fine. But I like to have my hair super straight, and I feel like I don't have to re-straighten it when I have it up that high. Now my hair is fully flat ironed. I'm going to go in and just trim my ends a little bit. You don't want to cut them too much because it will make it harder for your real hair to blend in with the clip-ins. Today we're using 2 packs of Wig Dealer's 30-inch body wave clip-ins. I did wash them beforehand. I like to install my clip-ins using the shorter kind of pieces at the nape of my neck and then the longer pieces around like from ear to ear. And then I also will have like a few short pieces to use at the top. But I'll just let you guys see the process of me adding in all the clip-ins. This is my first time doing seamless clip-ins and I love them. Look how flat that looks. going to install the clip-ins the same way on the other side. So all my clip-ins are installed. Now I'm just going to go in and straighten the hair again. I did straighten the clip-ins as I went. I did want to go in with my hot comb just to get those flyaways laid down. And this is the finished look. It turned out so cute. I'm in love with these clip-ins. I could not believe 30 inches would be this full. I did blunt the ends a little bit, but I love the outcome. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like and comment on this video, and let me know what type of tutorials you guys would like to see next.